Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel of Wealth Munshi. Click on the bell icon and get the latest updates.
So there's nothing more fulfilling than having a satisfied client. It could be in India or anywhere in the world. So this client, we got a lot of requests from our investors that they would like to know more about the case studies of our association with NRIs. So here is a case study of a friend, an associate, an investor whom we're working with is Abhishek Dhingra and his wife Latika Dhingra. Both of them were introduced by a friend who has been an investor with us since 2011, nearly 10 years, and we haven't met. All these investments, all these things, whatever we recommended has all happened digitally. Now Abhishek and Latika, they basically live in Dubai. They have been associated with us since 2020 January. It's nearly a year now, and they have been introduced by Arjun Ramesh, with whom we enjoy a very strong bonding. I believe both of them, Abhishek and Arjun, are very old friends, probably school friends, and they know each other very well. The challenges basically faced working with Abhishek and Latila has been that they have had many people in the past they've been working with, starting from bank agents, insurance agents, mutual fund agents, wealth managers in India, Singapore, even in Dubai. And it's been quite a kind of portfolio has been quite diversified. It has been done through various people across. They have had few bad experiences. So when we connected with them, they wanted that this time they are sure, and they were very cautious to get into an association, because this time they didn't want to have a bad experience. After the 8 to 10 months of experience, now they are very happy, and I believe they're satisfied and no issues are there which they had previously faced. The best part about working with Latika and Abhishek has been that both the members very importantly connect for each of the calls with us and our wealth managers. So whenever the discussion has been with regarding investments or financial analysis or wealth analysis, both the husband and wife have equally participated. Both of them are educated, both of them understand finance. In fact, Abhishek works with a bank in Dubai, and both of them are always ready to understand what better we can do. This is one thing which is very important, where both the partners are aware what is happening on the finances. That reduces a lot of our work and also gives a clarity to the family. Let's see what Abhishek and Latika have to share about their experience with Wealth Munshi.
Can you please brief down both of you about a brief about both of you? Abhishek, a brief about you, Latika.
Right. My name is Abhishek. We live in Dubai, and I work with a local bank over here, managing a group strategy for the bank. And most of our investments are in India, and I'm from Bangalore originally. Just planning with you our financials and investment portfolio in India.
My name is Latika. I'm Abhishek's wife. We've been together, married now for 13 years. We have 2 boys, Ad and Ashwin. I've been a finance professional and investment banker through my life, and I am right now slowly getting back to work. So fingers crossed, all that should go well.
What actually made you buy from us for the first time?
Right. So we got your recommendation from an old school friend of ours, Arjun, actually mine, and I went to school with him for many years. So he told me about you, and he said, Niyesh is a guy who can really help you with investments. And I told him, the one challenge that I've been facing in my investments is that I need someone who's A, good at advising, but B, who can really push me to make the right investments and keep following up. And and he said that Niyesh is great at this, and he'll make sure that you put the right amount of money that you need to put away every month. So that's how we got introduced, and that's how we started our relationship.
Great.
I actually went on Abhishek's recommendation because it was Abhishek's friend who recommended, and we've burnt our hands before on wealth advisors. with other banks, and we've actually never been able to find the right fit with our investments in India. So we got introduced to you, and yeah, we've been quite pleased with our portfolio so far.
Thank you so much. Does Wealth Munshi provide an end-to-end digital solution? It could be for financial planning, for wealth management, or for succession planning.
Yes, it does. I find that it is easy to access your portfolio in the app, and it is easy to understand where you stand at the touch of a button. So it's quite helpful to have that easy access. And we're having this call on Zoom, so it's great that we can do that.
Yeah, and also I think when we started off, I like the way that you built the wealth report and sort of give some clarity as to how we need to plan to meet our financial objectives. I think that was we haven't had an advisor before who's actually built something that comprehensive for us.
What was the best experience working with us? The best experience could be on the financial health check, or the app, or the digital platform, or the locker, or the service which we provide, or the report, anything of that sort.
I liked the locker, I liked the app, and that, like Abhishek said, that the initial financial health check, and that was really good.
Anything you'd like to add to this, Abhishek?
Ditto, that covers it.
Okay. Is there any unique feature you've come across working with us which you have not come across with previous wealth advisors?
Yes, actually, the whole digital platform, in fact, is something that is quite unique for us. The easy access to it, as well as the access to our locker, is also actually good. Quite nice to have everything in one place, which we didn't have with anybody else before. And the fact that you're also very easily accessible on WhatsApp, it's great. If there are any questions, the response is if not instant, it's in a fairly quick time.
Yeah, I think that communication channels with yourself and the team are really, really good.
Yeah.
Great. What was an eye-opener in the entire process? Was there any eye-opener you came across that this was an eye-opener and this we never knew, okay, this is something which we got to know once we started to work with Wealth Munshi?
I think I'll take that question to start with. So, I always had this feeling before that, the kind of money that we need to save to meet our financial objectives in the long run, it's going to be a mammoth task. I used to feel that it's going to be very, very hard for us to plan to meet those financial objectives. But when we went through, the whole exercise of the financial planning, it sort of helped to build that confidence that it is possible, it is doable, and I think that first step was I think it's an important step for people to take, to understand that if you plan it right and you do it well, you can meet even fairly large ambitions in terms of financial I think independence.
Perfect. That gives a lot of confidence that we are doing the right thing and we give a lot of clarity. How can we improve our association, improve or enhance?
I think we're doing this call after quite some time, really, sort of this check-in with us. It could have been done earlier, just to see where we stand, to just have a check on our portfolio. When, sometimes when I ask your team, what is my portfolio? I don't know, I was having issues with the app or whatever. You tell me, you have to find out yourself because they don't have access to it. Sometimes just being able to ask somebody that and say, can you just give me that information is needed, but I wasn't able to do that sometimes. And perhaps a more frequent check to see where we stand, in terms of our current portfolio, what we want to do. Because there's always, I'm sure, something that we can do. Sometimes, it should just remain as is. But at least to have that conversation to say, you know what, you're okay where you are. Let's not touch anything right now. And let's do it. Let's check in maybe after a couple of months again, 2 or 3 months. That would be good.
Is there something which you've not been happy about our association?
too new to not
Yeah.
be happy. We'll give it some more time.
Yeah.
We'll over time, galtiyan aa sakti hai, but not right now. We're in the honeymoon period.
Where would you like to see our association 10 years down the line?
You're going to come and help us 10 years from now, whether we want Aditya which university. You're going to probably help because it all depends upon funding that university choice. Sure that it's there. Is Aditya's university application.
I'll be there for you and the entire family.
Thank you.
Thanks.
If you had to rate us starting from 1 to 5, 1 being excellent, where would you like to rate us?
One being excellent. Maybe because I don't give the top rating, so 1.5, just short of 1.
2. Yeah.
I take it as 1.7.
Great. Absolutely great.
Yeah.